Thanks for checking out Jack's Custom Restoration. Taking a look at the 72 Plymouth Duster. So I did a coolant flush, just finishing that up now, as well as putting a mechanical temp in on the intake manifold. But otherwise this thing had coolant flush and new coolant going in. And as for the last video, you've seen the interior was put in. So the interior seats are now in. Installed the passenger armrest. The rear speakers are in. Working on getting the dash pieces finally painted and them installed. And then working on the center console. Right now we have air fuel gauge, the temp gauge that I said down here. This is a toggle switch to turn these gauges on, as well as the tach, as you don't really need a tach and you don't really need these gauges, so sometimes they're left off. The rear end here, basically I'm getting some wheel play from left to right, so I'll be pulling the differential and axles out, checking the axle float, the backlash and whatnot again, and determining if the sure gripper end needs to get sent back to get rebuilt. Thanks for checking out Jack's Custom Restoration. Okay, so I have this passenger wheel stationary on a block of wood. The driver wheel is up off the ground, and I'm getting about 1.5 inches of turning play. And how much play is supposed to be there from the factory on a Posi sure grip.